Hi everyone, Mike Stuccino, Master Herbalist here with Z Natural Foods, and you guessed it, it's that time of year again. The big day is right around the corner, and we all know the one thing that is synonymous with this time of year. That's right, you guessed it, New Year's resolutions. Ah yes, the infamous resolution goals for all the exciting things we want to achieve in the next 12 months. The average person puts great thought into this around 30 to 45 minutes before midnight on New Year's Eve after having 7 shots of vodka, believing that they can leap tall buildings in a single bound. But unfortunately, they are lucky to last 2 weeks on these so-called resolutions. Here at Z Natural Foods, we want to help you achieve your most important goal of supporting and maintaining a vibrant, healthy lifestyle. So, we are going to reveal to you our top 5 food picks for supporting a healthy new year and show you the easiest ways to incorporate them into your lifestyle. We really do understand that everyone's lifestyle is very different based on many factors, and we're here to help you overcome any of those unnecessary bumps in the road that may throw you off track. Please keep in mind that there's no specific order of importance of these 5 foods. And it's important to understand that what we base these 5 foods on is the following criteria of 4 things: nutritional density, versatility, flavor profile, and nutritional benefits. So stay tuned, guys, because we have a series of 5 videos coming out, each one discussing our top 5 food picks for a happy and healthy new year. Mike Stuccino, Master Herbalist. I'll see you soon.